Here's a brief note on the behavior of global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature, primarily due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. This phenomenon results in various changes in Earth's climate patterns, including rising sea levels, more frequent and intense extreme weather events, shifts in precipitation patterns, and alterations in ecosystems. The behavior of global warming is characterized by several key trends. Temperature rise. Global temperatures have been steadily increasing over the past century, with the most significant warming observed in the last few decades. This rise in temperature is linked to the increased concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, particularly carbon dioxide CO2, methane 4, and nitrous oxide N2O. Melting ice and rising sea levels. As temperatures rise, glaciers and polar ice caps melt at accelerated rates, contributing to rising sea levels. This phenomenon poses significant risks to coastal communities and low-lying areas, leading to coastal erosion, flooding, and the displacement of populations. Ocean acidification. The absorption of excess CO2 by the oceans leads to ocean acidification, which affects marine ecosystems and biodiversity. Acidification can harm coral reefs. Extreme weather events. Global warming increases the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, heat waves, droughts, and heavy rainfall. These events can have devastating impacts on human communities, infrastructure, agriculture, and natural ecosystems. Feedback mechanisms. Global warming triggers feedback mechanisms that can further amplify the process. For example, the melting of Arctic ice reduces the Earth's reflectivity. Shifts in climate zones. Global warming is causing shifts in climate zones, with some regions experiencing changes in temperature and precipitation patterns. This can affect agricultural productivity, water availability, and the distribution of plant and animal species. Impact on biodiversity. The rapid pace of global warming threatens biodiversity by disrupting ecosystems and habitats. Many species may struggle to adapt to changing conditions or face increased risks of extinction. Mitigation and adaptation strategies. Addressing global warming requires a combination of mitigation strategies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adaptation measures to cope with the unavoidable impacts of climate change. These efforts involve transitioning to renewable energy sources, implementing sustainable land use practices, improving infrastructure resilience, and enhancing public awareness and education about climate-related risks. If you like this information, please subscribe my channel for next informative videos. Thank you.